The Quest for the Rainbow Bird, a tale of unity and harmony. Once upon a time, in the vibrant city of Johannesburg, lived a young boy named Thabo. Thabo was known for his curiosity and his love for stories about the rich history and culture of South Africa. One day, Thabo's grandfather told him about the legendary rainbow bird, a bird said to bring harmony and unity to the people of South Africa. Intrigued, Thabo decided to find this bird. Armed with his grandfather's tales and a heart full of courage, Thabo embarked on his journey. He traveled through the bustling streets of Johannesburg, the lush vineyards of Stellenbosch, and the breathtaking landscapes of the Drakensberg Mountains. After many days and nights, Thabo finally found the rainbow bird perched on a marula tree. The bird was as magnificent as the stories, its feathers shimmering in all the colors of the rainbow. Remembering his grandfather's words, Thabo approached the bird with respect and offered it a bowl of water and some marula fruit. The bird, pleased with Thabo's kindness, agreed to accompany him back to Johannesburg. When Thabo returned with the rainbow bird, the people of Johannesburg were overjoyed. The bird's presence brought a sense of unity and harmony among the people. They worked together to build a better community, celebrating their diverse cultures and traditions. And so, Thabo, the young boy from Johannesburg, became a symbol of unity and harmony, his story echoing through the generations.